Hey everyone, today we're whipping up a delicious and healthy meal perfect for weight loss or weight management. With a medley of fresh veggies and lean protein, this dish is not only nutritious, but also packed with flavor. Let's dive in. First, we have our vibrant lineup of vegetables: onion, sweet corn, red and green bell peppers, tomatoes, carrots, and red cabbage broccoli. These colorful veggies are low in calories, but high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full longer. Plus, they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Next, let's add a healthy tier of chicken. Chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, which is crucial for muscle maintenance and can boost your metabolism. Remember to choose skinless chicken for the healthiest option. Now, it's time to season our meal. I'm using a blend of spices today. Feel free to get creative. You can add garlic powder, paprika, or even some Italian herbs. A pinch of salt will help bring out all those wonderful flavors. Once everything is nicely mixed, you can either grill, bake, or stir-fry this dish. Cooking methods like these keep the calories low while maximizing flavor. A quick sauté in a non-stick pan with a bit of olive oil will do wonders. And there you have it, a fantastic, colorful meal that's perfect for anyone looking to lose or manage their weight. It's satisfying, flavorful, and oh so good for you. Are you ready to take charge of your health? Start incorporating more colorful veggies and lean proteins into your meals today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy meal ideas. Let's make healthy eating a delicious